how to create a login or logout button in Wix. You want to open up the Wix website editor, and once you're within the website editor, use the search bar in the top right to search for login. Now you will have a few different options. So you can do a login bar here, which people can use, or you have the Wix members area. Let members manage accounts and access content. You want to add this one. So I'm just going to click on add, and it's going to begin integrating the members area here. Okay, so once you have added it, then you can open it up and you can customize it. So what this is going to look like is you will click on manage apps here, and from within the manage apps, you will search for the members area. And once you click on open members area, it's going to load up a new page. Now from here, as you can see, you have the option of people signing up, and whenever somebody signs up, then you will get access to the info here, and people can create accounts on your website. Now the other way, like I said, is going to be adding the login bar. All you need to do is to drag and drop it here, and you can set up the login bar. Once you click on set up login bar, as for the logged in, you can customize this to your liking, and you can do the same for the logged out bar as well. And basically that is how you create a login and logout bar for your Wix website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.